This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Barca Benson Real Estate Team. Less than bedroom greater than Caroline Barca and Marcia Benson. Charming single-family home on Expansive Lot, prime location across from boat ramp. Spacious, light-filled interior with gorgeous views and cozy fireplace. Located in desirable North River shores, this beautifully maintained home sits on a generous lot of over 2/3 of an acre. Open floor plan with seamless flow between the living, dining, and kitchen areas, ideal for modern living and entertaining. Light and bright interior with large windows framing picturesque views of the boat basin and park. Peaceful, private backyard ideal for outdoor dining, gardening, or simply enjoying the serenity of the area. Just across the street from the boat ramp, this property is a dream come true for water lovers, offering direct access to the water for boating and recreation. Enjoy great views from your home, and unwind in the tranquil backyard. This home provides the perfect setting for both relaxation and outdoor living. Dock ramp available with purchase of key for $20 per year. For more information, review the details below or contact Barca Benson Real Estate Team. Less than bedroom greater than Caroline Barca and Marcia Benson at 772-528-0837.